So this is the look that we're doing today. Using the new Makeup Revolution Birds of Paradise palette. I did use this palette before in a video, but it was just a quick little one shade. I want to focus the majority of this look using this whole, not the whole palette, but the majority of the shades are coming from this palette. And I am using a couple of the shades from the Tammy Revolution palette. And it's this gorgeous, gorgeous bright lime green shade right here. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first is I did prime my eyelids and I put my foundation underneath so that I can just do everything on camera. So the first shade that I'm going to take is Island, which is this really pretty kind of like pastel blue. And I'm just going to focus that on the inner part of the lid because this is going to be a halo eye. I finally found the cord, the USB cord to my camera. Oh, I'm so happy. I was like, oh my god, where is it? This is so depressing. I have so many videos that I already have recorded, and it's been bright and sunny this week, and I've been wanting to record as much as I can. Mainly because my brother is moving back, and I don't know if I'll have the luxury of recording as much because he's always up in my business and what I'm doing, kind of. Well, not really, but I'll feel weird filming when he's home, and I mean, I hope he'll be gone most of the time because he does have school and work. So I'm just hoping that those will keep him busy. So with this palette, I've noticed that especially with the Island shade, you do have to dip into it a couple of times in order to get the payoff that you want, because it is very light, especially on my skin tone, because it's pastel. So the new Jeffery Star palette is launching, the Bloodlust Palette, and it's a purple palette. I have so many purple eyeshadows, and I was kind of disappointed because I'm always like, oh my god, Jeffery Star has a new launch, and you know, I'm always like one to jump and purchase something from Jeffery Star. But the more I looked at it and the more I thought about it, I was really underwhelmed by the Bloodlust palette. Even the new couple of shades that he has in there, and that's supposedly a new formula. The wet looking shades that looks like glass. I mean, they do look really pretty. But to be honest, I already purchased, you know, a couple of like pinky purple things from Beauty Bar Baby, and I'm like, you know what? I have a ton of eyeshadow. I have a ton of purple eyeshadows. And I'm honestly considering skipping this launch. Surprisingly. Let me zoom in for you guys. That's better. Okay. But yeah, I think that I'm definitely going to consider skipping this launch this year. And, you know, I'm sure he'll restock it. And if I really want it in the future, then I can purchase it. Now I'm going to go in with Adventure, this darker purple shade. And I will be packing that on the inner corner part of my eyelid, if that makes any sense. And I am going around the eyelid because, like I said, this is kind of a halo eye. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what your guys' opinion of Jeffrey's new eyeshadow palette. Are you gonna pick it up? I actually am interested in a few of the new lip glosses, so I might just purchase a couple of the lip glosses because I have been into lip glosses lately. I just bought some new Urban Decay High Shine lip glosses. I really do like those. And plus, Makeup Revolution things look pretty interesting to me right now, like the color books that they have look pretty cool. I kind of want those, and I still want to get, I do actually want to get the Mint Condition palette from ColourPop. Now I'm going back in with that Island shade just to bring back some of that purple. Alrighty. Now I'm going in with the Tammy palette, and I am taking, what's the shade called? Girlies. The kind of more darker shade. And I'm placing that on the outer portion. And also the inner. part of the lid. I've actually been reading again, and I've been keeping up with my project pan. I'm really trying with the Norvina palette. Now I'm actually going to go in with that black called Jab Jab. This black shade right here. Just a little tiny bit. Like I didn't even, you can see there's not much on the brush. I don't want to overpower it with the black. I just want to give it some depth. Because this is just a little bit too pastel for me. Same with the inner corner. So I have come to realize that I definitely have seasonal depression, because you know the sun is out right now and I'm really talkative and happy, and I'm just like, yay, the sun is out. I want to do everything that I can possibly do. And then when it's gloomy and rainy outside, I just completely turn into a hermit. I'm going back in with that adventure shade just to kind of soften the black edges. And today I really want to get stuff done. I want to upload a few videos for you guys today. I'm going in with Retrograde from Ofra, and I'm taking the purple side, and I'm going to use that as a brow bone highlight. So yesterday, I didn't wear any face makeup, but I did wear a little tiny bit of eye makeup, and I did actually put Retrograde as a highlighter for the cheeks and on the brow bone. And then I went into my Morphe 35S or 39S palette and just put shimmers on the lid. And I was inspired to do that by the Jeffery Star Bloodlust Palette because, like I said, I have a ton of purple shades, and I'm like, why don't I just play with those, and it'll really make me feel like I don't need it. Okay, now I am going to cut the lid, the halo portion of the lid. now I am going to go in to the Tammy palette again. I am going to take Destiny, this purple shade right here. I am just going to place that on the next to the black. Now for the glitter glue. I'm actually going to go back in with that Destiny shade. Now I am going to take Calypso, my favorite shade, the bright green. The bright green, it definitely does work better with glitter glue or with some kind of base. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to go back in with Destiny again. I don't know why it looks all chunky right here. And it doesn't want to blend. Okay, well, that's as good as it's gonna get. And then I'm going to take eyeliner. Nail mascara. There is a lot of fallout. Okay. Now I'm going to take NYX faux pencils in White Smoke, and it's this lavender color. And I like to put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take what's left on this brush and run it along the lower lash line. I'm actually going to take more purple. I'm going to take some more glitter glue. And run it a little bit underneath. And on the inner corner. I'm going to take that Calypso shade again and run that underneath the lash line in the middle part. And also on the, or in the inner corner. Then I'm going to use ColourPop's BFF's mascara in Purple Prose. Alright. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of the face off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here, well, why are you all blurry? Here's the final look. And so for the rest of the face, I used the Retrograde highlighter from Ofra. This is what their packaging looks like. And this is the beautiful highlighter. And that's what that, oh, look at that shine. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the purple. Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty purple. Then for the lips, I am wearing I cannot see. For the lips, I am wearing Violet Femme by NYX. It's this really pretty, like, burgundy, kind of magenta-y shade. I don't know how to describe it, but like it looks light in the, you know, display tube, and then when you open it, it kind of looks darker. But yeah, that's what I have on my lips, and over it I have the new High Shine lip gloss that I got from Urban Decay called Candy Flip. And when you put it, you can't see it, but in the mirror it really is duochrome. It's like a pinky, purpley, blue duochrome. Okay, a blue, purple duochrome. But yeah. And of course I got something. Oh, it's glitter. Of course, I always have glitter on me. But anyway, oh yeah, for the blush, I use the ColourPop Print Up blush from the I Love You So Much little bundle that they have, the Super Shock Cheek duo. It came with a blush and a highlighter. But anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. For the most part, this palette is good. Like I said, I definitely had to work on building up the Island shade. And the Adventure shade is nice. But I just need to do more looks. I can't wait to do maybe like a rainbow look with this, so that I can get almost all of the shades in and see how they perform. I really, really want to try this shade because it's also wet like this one is. It's like the Super Shock Shadow. This shade right here, the Fiesta shade. But anyways, yeah, all in all, it's a really nice palette. It's $15. If you are getting started in color and you want something bright and colorful, I would definitely grab it. I mean, it's $15. And this, I really do like the mattes better in this palette, the Tammy palette. But for the foil shades in here, I would definitely use a base or a glitter glue or something. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to. Of course, you don't have to, but I would love having you. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.